The deadline for filing taxes by April 15th is coming up soon, and it really is time to get ready and get it taken care of. So joining us here today is finance expert and best-selling author Patrice Washington, and she's going to share some tips about taking the stress out of tax season. Washington is the founder of the Institute for Redefining Wealth and the host of a popular podcast, and she's the author of Real Money Answers. Welcome, Patrice Washington. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Mikhayla. Where did the year go? It's tax time.
So, Patrice, what is the top tip for surviving tax season this year?
You know, it's also Financial Literacy Awareness Month. And what I want people to know is it's all about knowing your personal finance circumstances and knowing your own numbers. We may never know all of this current year's tax codes. I don't know about you, Mikhayla, but I know I don't. So some people, yes, can file on their own, but to reduce the stress, I really do suggest more people consult a professional, especially this late in the game.
And Patrice, where can someone find help if they're struggling?
Well, H&R Block helps filers navigate tax season with a lot more ease and confidence. Whether you prefer the control and flexibility of their DIY service or the expert guidance from one of their 60,000 tax pros, they offer many ways to file. Their AI Tax Assist provides reliable assistance to complete returns with accuracy and ease. If you prefer help from an expert, their experienced tax pros can assist you virtually or at one of their 9,000 locations. They also offer, Mikhayla, get this, a free second look tax review. That means they will double check up to 3 years of your prior returns for missed credits and deductions. So I would say visit hrblock.com to learn more now.
Can you give us a pro tip for making filing easier?
Well, I talk to people every day, and I will say one of the biggest reasons people procrastinate is because their paperwork is scattered. So if you're sitting watching this right now, you're going, oh my gosh, I have receipts everywhere. I don't know what to do. I used to be like you. So there is hope for you. Organizing receipts was not always my thing until I discovered Rapid Receipt. I love Rapid Receipt because it helps small business owners like me organize stacks of papers, receipts, invoices, and all those other tax-related documents to simplify the year-end workflow. Rapid Receipt turns financial documents into smart digital data, making them AI ready for tax season. Epson's ScanSmart AI Pro technology is fast and it is accurate. Plus, it exports information directly to third-party vendors for easier tax filing with fewer errors. So if you've been procrastinating because of the paperwork, Rapid Receipt is the thing for you. And a little birdie told me, Mikhayla, it's on sale this week.
And you know, as a financial expert, what is a top tip for also maximizing your refunds?
Yes. Okay. So I was just talking about this last night in my Redefining Wealth app, which is a free app where I give advice, go live every day. And I said, listen, you don't want to have an either or mentality with your tax refund, but really any windfall of money. That means you don't want to go, well, either I'll pay off debt or I'll save. We want to have an and mentality, which is much more expansive. So I follow the 40-40-20 rule. That means with this tax refund, and the average person is getting $3,300 this year, you can say, okay, I know my vision. I know what I want to see for my future. I'm going to take 40% and reduce debt. The other 40%, I will increase or establish some savings, and then 20%, personal development. Why? Because your personal finances will only grow to the extent that you allow yourself to grow personally. It is so important that we understand from tax season to tax season, Mikhayla, we're taking us and our habits and our ways of being with us. And if we want to change our financial outcomes, we have to start changing what we're putting on the inside. So maybe there's a course, a program, a book, whatever your 20% can allow, start to invest back in yourself, and you will see your financial life improve over time because you're taking care of you.
All right, Patrice, this has been so helpful, especially for this time in the tax season. So where can we go for more information?
Well, for more information, you can go to tipsontv.com. And if you're curious about the Redefining Wealth app, my podcast, anything that I do, come on over to patricewashington.com.
Thank you so much.